In the last year, I've made and sold $345,000 worth of AI websites that only took me 5 minutes to make. So I'm literally going to show you everything from tools to prompts so you can copy me and start selling these things to local businesses and make some serious cash. You don't need to learn how to code or how to design. All you need is just a few AI prompts and some killer tools. To start, I have to show you the AI that we're going to use and how you can prompt it to create modern websites that you can sell for $2,000 each. The tool we are going to be using to create these insane AI websites is called Lovable. All you need to do is go to the URL lovable.dev and you're going to see a screen that looks like this. Lovable is absolutely insane. The websites this thing can spit out in like a couple of minutes is nuts. Now the next step is we want to go to ChatGPT and we want to give ChatGPT a prompt that says something like, can you write me a detailed prompt for Lovable to create a landscaping website? Now, landscaping is just the niche I'm going to use for this example. You can use any niche you want. You can use accountants, lawyers, roofers. It really does not matter. Just put in the niche that you're maybe targeting with your agency, and ChatGPT is going to spit you out something like this. Now, you can see how detailed this prompt is. The more detailed, the better, because that means Lovable is going to create a better website. But this is something you're looking for. So you can pause the video here and you can use this prompt. You can just go to ChatGPT and get your own prompt. That's what I'd recommend doing. But this is what it has to look like. This kind of length and this kind of detail is what we're looking for. So all you do then is you copy it like so. I'm not going to do it because I've already done it and pasted it into Lovable. And you just paste it into Lovable's search bar like so. And then you go down and you click enter. Now, once you click enter, Lovable's going to start creating the AI website. And in a few minutes, it's going to spit you out something that looks like this. Now, you can see this is better than 99% of local businesses' websites. It's insane that it was able to create this in a couple of minutes, pretty much from thin air, just from you giving it a prompt. You can see here these custom AI images with the logo on them. As we scroll down here, you can see custom motion graphics, custom animations. Like, this website is killer. Really, really exciting. That, like, the first time I seen Lovable do this, I just could not believe that this was even a thing, that this was even possible. And this is just the start. This is just the first draft that it's done for you. Like, it's crazy. And then down the bottom we have their address, privacy policies. It has literally covered everything. It's even put in an estimation. Like, if you click on that, it'll bring you to a custom quote page. Like, this is pretty much done. Like, I would be very happy to do this as a demo site for a client on a call, but this is just showing you the potential that this software has, that this AI has. It is just crazy. Now, your next question is, okay, what does it look like on the back end? So this is what it looks like on the back end. As you can see, it's not like most plug and play website builders. It's prompt based. So if you wanted to say, change the logo, you just type in, can you change the logo to this, and paste in an image of the logo that you want to change it to, and it'll just do that for you. It's super simple. It could not be any simpler. And then if you want to add the client's domain, you go up here, you click on settings, you go to domains, and you can actually buy domains on Lovable if the client doesn't have one. So you would obviously just go to buy domains there. If they have a domain, let's say on GoDaddy or Squarespace, you literally go to connect domain and it will connect their domain in 30 seconds. It could not be any simpler. So if you haven't heard of Lovable, now you have, and this should be getting you very, very excited because the potential this thing has is just nuts, and it's getting better every month because they're constantly updating it. So get on Lovable if you haven't already. Okay, we've just built out this sick AI website, but we're not going to stop there. This is where we're going to take it up another level. Because if you just sell them one by one to every business, you're essentially going to be a freelance web designer. But more importantly, you're going to make freelance web designer money. So if you want to make real money, I'm talking 10, 20, 30K per month, there's another important step you need to take. So let me show you what this step is so you can 10x your agency revenue fast. After you've closed the client and built them out their website, you're going to book what I call an offboarding call. On this call, you're going to show them the finalized killer website and make sure they're very happy with everything you've done for them. Then you're going to simply say something like, John, by the way, what are you doing for lead gen right now? Every single time, the answer is going to be nothing or referrals. This is our chance to go from a standard web developer selling freelance websites to a revenue stacking agency powerhouse. Because here's where our upsells come in. And we tell John about our SEO and PPC packages. And because John already knows, likes, and trusts us, they're going to be very open to you running their SEO or PPC campaigns. We then upsell them onto a 3 or 4K per month package, and voila, there's your lucrative MRR. If it sounds simple, that's because it is. Do not overcomplicate this. But now that you know how to create sick websites that you can sell to local businesses in minutes, you still need to learn how to scale this thing to the next level. We don't want to stay stuck at 5K per month forever, spinning the agency hamster wheel. So click on this video here so you can learn how to scale your agency to 50K per month step by step.